Take it, yeah.
Well, then I'm going to have to take it home. Nobody wants him.
Hello, baby. Hello.
Way farming in ways and that we're really following the seasons. This is really sheep country. It really only suits sheep. Wait! So we'll be keeping exactly the flock we want for the incoming year, and usually we have to sell out and buy in some male rams, and at this stage all the flocks are coming down. Summer grazing's over for that particular year. We used to use Bruce a lot for mountain work down through the years. We retired him off the mountain last year. He's still doing some field work. He's not a huge fan of the demonstration, Bruce. He was brought up here before we were doing it. He knows that I'm doing some unnecessary twisting and turning. He just likes to pen them up a first time. And around now when I talk too much, I'd have to keep an eye on him, because a couple of occasions he's made his way down to the cottage and just walked out on the job. Each of the dogs would have different characteristics, that have different temperaments, and possibly different roles on the farm. So our eldest dog is Bruce. Bruce is just gone 10 years, no sorry, he's about 10 and a half years of age. Lie down. Walk on.